look at that. Look at that. Look at the tracks. Oh, beautiful. That's superb.
This all works,
Is
Carl.
that wood?
Yeah, it's all
Everything's wood.
Yep.
Did you make each thing?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll give you
And the
that. Give you
pins.
how long? Yeah, how long do you reckon? How long do you reckon it took me to make it all up?
Oh.
Have a guess. I was out in my estimate. Could be a bit more than bit less than I thought.
Less than you thought.
Less than I thought.
Oh, really?
1,000
hours.
No, shit. No.
100 hours.
100 hours, a lot closer than 1,000. $230 hours
Wow.
to make it, and have these little tracks. There's 28 on each side. There's 56. I made 60. How long do you reckon it took me to make each single track? Each single piece.
The first one would take a
It's
long
an
time.
hour to make one.
Did the first one take longer?
No, well, no, not really. I just did them all in sequence, but it worked out at an hour a piece overall. So 59 hours in the tracks alone.
So you make that to a blueprint of your
Set of drawings.
set of drawings.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome, John.
Good fun.
It is beautiful.
Oh, bloody-
Just move it again. Lift the front. And it rolls back on the tracks.
It rolls backwards.
Can you start the engine, John?
No.
That is amazing.
I enjoyed making that. It was fun.